Shami Singh. I'm a hair and makeup artist based in Delhi. And today I am going to show you how to nail Spring 2020 trends, the goth lips and the sapphire eyes. So if you really want to do dark lips, I would always recommend that keep your eye makeup really nude, just the way Suhani is wearing it right now. In fact, there are not too many brands that offer you a black lip liner. I'm using a MAC pencil in Smolder and I'm just going to line her lips. I'm not just taking the same pencil and filling up her entire lip. And now I'm going to give this lip a deep purple undertone. Now always remember that all blacks have some kind of an undertone. It could be a blue undertone, it could be a deep green, it can be a purple, it can be a burgundy. So I am using a sugar lipstick in shade 19. It's called the Jet Set Violet. I'm working with a lip brush from CS Essentials. This is called a precision brush. So there you go guys, what do you think about these goth lip? It's a spring trend for 2020. I've kept it more deep purple, but I really like that. And now I'm going to create the second spring 2020 trend for you, sapphire eyes. Because her foundation is already done, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Powder in shade Banana Yellow. I'm just applying it right there so that in case there is any fallout, our foundation does not get ruined. I'm starting off by using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Mystic Kajal pencil, which is in shade Blue 03. I start by lining this all over her eyes and I gradually take it up. And the moment I am done, I just take a flat eyeshadow brush from CS Essentials E6 and I just kind of work at blending those edges out. Just going to repeat this step on the other eye now. And now I'm using the LA Girl Wanderlust eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to pick up this beautiful blue color right here. And I'm going to apply it right on top of that. That's just one coat, and if you see, the pigment of the eyeshadow is absolutely brilliant. However, I'm still going ahead and applying another coat right on top of that, using the CS Essentials flat eyeshadow brush in E6. Now what's important is blending this line out. Now I know you can really keep it like that as well, but I am somebody who loves to blend out the edges because I feel it just looks a lot more softer to the eyes. I'm just taking a CS Essentials blending brush in E4 and I'm just going to rub it around the edges right there. Just gives it a more smoother, softer feel and is more pleasing to the eye as well. And those eyes are going to look even better with lots of mascara. I'm using the Kiko Luxurious Lashes Extra Volume Mascara. And I'm going to remove all that powder using a CS Essentials powder brush in F5. And I want to give you a little pro tip, like anytime you end up applying too much of powder, like of course here I had to apply it, the skin looks a little bit dry because of the excessive powder. I am now going to use the MAC Prep Plus Prime and I'm just going to spray it over her face liberally. And I'm just going to let this dry up naturally. And for some further glow, I am going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in shade 100. It's called Molten Gold. Using a CS Essentials fan brush in F6. Right there on her cheekbones and a little bit on the apples. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial and all we want to tell you is stay fab, stay foxy.